I cloned the version of my HeyGen Avatar V digital twin. Yeah, I cloned an AI avatar clone of me. While that sounds redundant, it was actually a strategic move to bypass two specific limitations in Seedance mode. First, limited customization. In Seedance, you can't simply upload a photo to use as your avatar. The system requires a pre-existing video-generated avatar. I did my recordings with low-quality lighting and casual clothing just to get the lip sync and duplicate my behavior and voice, not to be used raw. Second, the single actor limit. You can't place the same avatar in a scene twice to have them interact. To create a video of me talking to me, I needed two distinct avatar files of the same person. Since my original recordings were done with casual clothes and poor lighting, they weren't camera ready. I used them strictly as a behavioral foundation to capture my unique lip movements and vocal cadence. So I asked Gemini to generate a text for me based on the text HeyGen generally gives to create Avatar 5 with those 15-second scripts. But I asked to extend it to 2 minutes and include words with different phonemes, which helps the AI model lip movements more accurately. I fed this long, phonetically rich text into the Avatar 5 engine, along with a high-quality professional photo. The engine used the base video to learn my behavior and the high-quality photo to create the visual skin. This is all possible because HeyGen Avatar 5 produces long, realistic videos. The Avatar 5 engine looks at the first video I uploaded to animate my photo with lip sync and behavior that mimics me. If you want to try this method yourself, you'll need an account to get started. You can head over to HeyGen and set up your profile to follow along with the rest of this breakdown. But enough talk, let's look at the result. Hello, my name is AskEustache Chardavoine, and I am recording this video to create my professional AI avatar. I want to make sure I capture a natural range of expressions, so I'll be speaking about a variety of topics today, while maintaining a steady, clear tone. It is a fascinating time to be working with digital technology. The way we communicate is shifting from traditional text and static images toward more interactive, video-driven experiences. When I think about the potential of AI-generated content, I see a bridge between efficiency and creativity. It allows us to scale our presence without losing that personal touch that makes human interaction so valuable. Beyond technology, I often think about the importance of consistency. Whether you are building a business, learning a new language, or working on a fitness goal, the small actions you take every single day eventually compound into significant results. It's not always about the giant leaps, it's about the steady walk toward a clear vision. I also enjoy exploring how different systems work, from the complex architecture of a global network to the simple, sustainable systems we can implement in our own homes, like a backyard garden or an off-grid power setup. There is something deeply satisfying about understanding the mechanics of the world around us and finding ways to make those systems more resilient and efficient. In addition to the technical side, I've always found that the environment we build for ourselves matters just as much as the tools we use. Creating a space that is both functional and sustainable requires a bit of foresight and a lot of trial and error. Whether it's optimizing a digital workspace for better focus or configuring a physical setup to be more energy independent, the goal is always the same: to create a foundation that supports long-term growth and minimizes unnecessary friction in our daily lives. As I wrap up this recording, I am focusing on maintaining a relaxed posture and consistent eye contact with the camera. I'm making sure to pause naturally between sentences, allowing the AI to understand my unique speech patterns and the way my face moves when I'm at rest. I am excited to see the final result of this digital twin and how it will help me streamline my creative workflow. Thank you for following along with this session, and I look forward to the possibilities this new tool will open up. Then I downloaded the resulting video and uploaded to HeyGen in the interface to create a new avatar. In fact, you are looking at the results this entire video. It is made from a photo look of this exact avatar. This channel is for teaching creators how to create content and monetize it with ads, affiliate marketing, and selling pod and digital products. But for so long, it was inactive because I am not confident in front of a camera. Now, you can subscribe to our upcoming videos thanks to HeyGen Avatar V. I get a level of realism with AI I am proud of. So expect actionable tutorials from me soon. I have the knowledge and experience, AI does the acting. If you haven't grabbed a HeyGen account yet, now's a great time to set one up so you can test out these Avatar 5 features as we go. You'll find my affiliate link in the description below. To learn more about building a system that is valuable to an audience and how to grow that audience to monetize traffic with ads, affiliate marketing, and digital products, go to AskEustache.com. As a bonus comparison, this is HeyGen Avatar 3 using my photo. You can see that it does not behave like me because it does not know my facial expressions. Now, let's go back to Avatar V. You can see a clear difference. Just make sure you use your Avatar V credits wisely because they can be used really fast. Fortunately, HeyGen will invite you to learn how to spend credits wisely if you opt to upgrade.